YouTube revenue update for this month of February 2021. So if you are following my channel, you will see that I am really doing a monthly update of my revenue. So I just really want to document those things, especially if I hit that milestone. And it's not just a milestone. I also want to see or share with you like my frustration, especially if my subscriber is not growing, my traffic is decreasing. So that's really the reason why I do a monthly update. So yeah, this video is kind of different on my other monthly update because I will show you my revenue as well on my other affiliate sites. So 2 affiliate sites, because I have a conversion. The referral is YouTube. So they watch my video and then they went to that affiliate site. They convert. When you say convert, they paid that services and I get a commission. So yeah. Let's dive in straightly, guys. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna start first on YouTube. So let's dive into the YouTube studio and then go to the analytics and let's go to the February month. So for the February month, like in this channel, I'm kind of disappointed because of my revenue. So it decreased from $67. Okay, so it decreased from $67.58 to $60.22. So I've lost like almost 20% of my revenue last January. But as you can see in here on my monthly views, it's not really my revenue. I mean, it's not really my RPM. It is my views. So I've got like last January I've got 5,673 views, but it went down to 4,813. So it's missing like almost $1,000. Yeah, so but I don't know, probably because of my videos are too specific, so I only getting 12 views, 8 views, 11 views. No one really hits 100 views. So I'm really like, by the way guys, if you're new to my channel, I am really a low-key YouTuber. So if you check all of my videos in here, like I rarely get 100 views. So if you are struggling with views, if you have same stats like me, just keep going, just be consistent. Okay, so but I'm kind of disappointed because I am a bit active last February. So February 1, let's count how many videos I've made. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've created 6 videos for the February. So I'm expecting that I can get more revenue. But yeah, unfortunately, it dropped to almost 20% of my revenue. But what is interesting is this other YouTube channel, okay? By the way, this other YouTube channel is the smaller version. Like I am very low-key on my other version, but I have the smallest version as well. So this is the like my other YouTube channel. And by the way, when I go in here for the content, I only uploaded 1, 2, 3, 4. So I only uploaded 4 videos for the month of February for this channel. I'm not really active in this channel, by the way. And this is the channel I am using every time I document my things. So if you are confused, by the way, Angie Worm is more about DIY marketing, how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and yeah, social media. And the other one is more into programming stuff, or not really programming, but specifically in front-end development. So if you love web design, if you love configuration related to front end, then you should subscribe to my other channel, Bookwormhead. Okay, so let's jump into the analytics. So for the month of February, I was able to get $24.18, but last January my earning is only $15. So it bumped like
I think almost 40% of my last revenue. So it increased 40% of my last revenue. But I only uploaded 4 videos. So it really, I mean, when you constantly uploading a lot of videos on your YouTube channel can help. So in here, like I think the other reason why my videos were my views drastically increased in here because I uploaded other video that's called how to fix um, upload problem in Facebook Creator Studio. So I was really having hard time on that issue. Like I cannot upload videos in Facebook Creator Studio, and I've researched a lot of resources in Facebook in different articles, but no one really provided me a solution until I was able to get the solution. So, like, I mean, if you have like a solution that you think there's no other people are documenting you should upload that on in YouTube, and I'm pretty sure that will give you a good stats when you upload that one. Okay, so we're already good in that. I have, let's dive in here. So I've got $24. We will jump, by the way, later for the my other revenue. So $24, and the other one is $60. So let's jump into my other revenue. So for the month of February, I've got $100 in 4, and then the other one is this one. So these are all coming from my YouTube thing. Okay, they convert the original resources is from YouTube, and then they converted. So like even though you're not monetized in YouTube, you can still earn money using affiliate. Okay, you promote the products that you are using. Like obviously do not promote, I highly discourage that you promote products that you're not using. You need to try because you are building community on YouTube, and your audience needs to trust you. Okay, if you promote shit products, then that will make your image bad. Okay, so $75 for this month of February. So if we total that one, 24, the other one is 60, and then the other one is 104 and 75. So I've earned 200. How I wish it's 2000. So $263 for the month of February. And by the way, when I'm doing YouTube videos, I just document things that I'm like when my client asks me to, yes, do this, can you help me to do this kind of stuff? Then if I think that can be documented in my YouTube channel, then it will be like I'm trying to hit 2 birds at the same stone. So if you can do that, that would be so awesome.